We will see if this is the catalog of success or failure. I started by removing 1, 2, 3, and then these 3, which holds the ball socket on this dryer unit. Remove 1, and a bonus comes with an electrical schematic taped to the inside of the drawer. Remove 1 and 2. Now this should drop down. The horror. My mistake. Remove this screw, not this one. Disconnect the 3-pin. Remove the front panel. So we've got 1, 2 on either side that have to come out. That went okay. To remove the drum, gotta disconnect this fan belt. There's our culprit. Here's the heating coil. In here, filled dry powder. It's where the bearing has been squeaking too much. Grease it. Reattach the bearing to the drum. Remount the drum onto the bracket from out here. You have to reattach the front. Reconnect the 3-pin. Reattach the front plate like so. You can just remove this last back access hatch. Rethread it here. And it goes around the drum. And now to test, the washer's already going. Well, alright. And heat. Success!